In just under 6 weeks, the Jamaica Premier League will return after a year and 3 months wait. At Thursday's virtual launch, it was announced that the league will kick off on Saturday, June 26 and end on Sunday, September 26.
In previous years, this would have been the end of the season for the Premier League clubs. But COVID-19 presented a different challenge, one which has left the game in limbo. So with approval given for close to 900 individuals to resume working, a truncated season is sufficed to provide a national champion.
The format will be firstly a round robin, a round robin, and following that, the teams will be ranked 1 through 12 based on points. That ranking will allow us to break the teams into 2 groups. Top 6 and bottom 6.
The top 2 teams after the regular season will go straight to the semi-finals, while teams 3 to 6 will go into a quarter-final playoff with the 2 winners determining the other 2 semi-finalists. The lower 6 will also play off in a round-robin format to decide their final rankings.
Using this format, the bottom 6, what we have as the bottom grouping, there would be no further interest for them, right? In also adding extra game playing time for them, we wanted to add more interest for them to play off for their positioning.
According to Sports Minister Olivia Babs-Grange, a return of the sport is not just about football.
This season alone, although shortened, the staging of the league is estimated to generate over 200 million Jamaican dollars in the economy.
All players and clubs officials will be tested before and throughout the season, but Grange is advocating for all to be vaccinated.
Some footballers have already been done. So it's an ongoing process, and the intention is to make sure everyone gets vaccinated.
Although not decided as yet, all teams will be rewarded financially from start to finish.
So they will get a subvention, a monthly subvention, and then they will also get prize money depending on their finish. And then they'll also, at the end of the season, when we tabulate up all the income and take away all the expenses, whatever surplus is left, we will also divide that up. We'll make a bonus payment at that time.
Matches will be played as doubleheaders on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, with a free-to-air partner to be announced in the coming days. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.